a detailed presentation of the Commission on Electronic Voting Machine and VVPAT was made, explaining therein the secure design features, development process, stakeholders' participation at various levels, and administrative processes making the EVM non-tamperable. Political parties were also informed that the Commission will hold a challenge and offer opportunity to political parties to demonstrate that EVMs used in the recently concluded assembly elections were tampered, or that EVMs can be tampered even under the laid down technical and administrative safeguards. Representatives of political parties have presented their detailed views and suggestions on each agenda item. The Commission has assured political parties that their concerns and apprehensions regarding electronic voting machines have been taken note of and would be duly considered and addressed through forthcoming challenge, and further necessary action will be taken. In respect of other electoral reforms, their views and suggestions would be examined and further action would be initiated. The Commission has also stated before the political parties that all the future elections will be mandatorily held with VVPAT, and the Commission has also taken into account that the VVPAT slips of electronic voting machine up to a definite percentage, which will be determined by the Commission, will also be subjected to counting, and the Election Commission of India will evolve an appropriate framework in this regard.